how to get infinite tokens on Blooket. Now all you have to do is to pull up your preferred browser and you might have to log into your Blooket account first. Now once you logged in, you have to create a new tab and then go to Chrome Web Store. Click on the first result right here. Now what you want to do is you need to download and install an extension for you to be able to get this hack to work. So in the search box, just simply type in Blooket Hacker. So all you have to do is to add this extension in your Chrome and install it. Now, once everything is installed, all you have to do is just start your Blooket game and it should be working. So that's how you add infinite tokens on Blooket.